Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to change YouTube channel location. Why would you want to know how to change YouTube channel location? Well, maybe it is your first time using YouTube and not sure how to change YouTube channel location. So today I am going to show you how to change YouTube channel location. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Changing YouTube channel location is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will change YouTube channel location. First of all, open YouTube in your Chrome browser, and now here is my YouTube home screen. And then click on your profile picture in the right top corner, and now click on YouTube Studio. And then in this new window, click on Settings. Now click on Channel, and then you can click on Country of Residence, and then select a new country and click on Save, and your location on YouTube channel has been changed. So there you go. If you were wondering how to change YouTube channel location, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.